Hello friends, this is Dr. Aditi Jain and you all are welcome back to my YouTube channel ज्ञानवारिधि। आज हम 13 जुलाई 2021 के करंट अफेयर्स को इस वीडियो में डिस्कस करने वाले हैं। सो नाउ लेट्स बिगिन। Where is the proposed diamond mine located in the Buxwa protected forest area? It is located in Madhya Pradesh, India. Atoliko Lagoon, which was in news recently, is located in which country? It is located in Greece. Which state government is planning to introduce Model Tenancy Act? This state is Karnataka, and this act states that land rights, land tenures, including the relation of landlord and tenant, collection of rents and land improvement are subjects regulated by state. According to the report of Henley Passport Index 2021, which country's passport is the most powerful in the world? This country is Japan, and India is at 90th position. Recently, which state government has planned to develop a tiger corridor connecting Ranthambore Tiger Reserve, Ramgarh Vishdhari Tiger Reserve and Mukundra Tiger Reserve? This state is Rajasthan. Who has become the first women biker to conquer the 18 passes? She is Kanchan Ugrasenji, and she has finished the world's first solo motorcycle expedition covering 18 treacherous passes of northern Himalayan range, and she traversed the distance in 25 days. Recently, Sparsh system has been implemented by which ministry? It has been implemented by Ministry of Defence, and by Sparsh it is meant System for Pension Administration Raksha. Who has become the new railway minister of the country? He is Ashwini Vaishnav. Recently, who has won the Wimbledon women's tennis singles title? It has been won by Ashley Barty. World Population Day is observed on 11th July to highlight and disseminate information about population control measures. Recently, who has been reappointed as MD CEO of Federal Bank? He is Shyam Srinivasan. Who has written a book called The Pregnancy Bible? This book has been written by Kareena Kapoor. Who has won the 2021 Scripps National Spelling Bee competition? It has been won by Zaila Avantgarde, who is just 14 years old, and she became the first Black American to win the competition's history. Which state has been included in the map of Indian Railway? This state is Manipur. Recently, who has been appointed as the US Ambassador to India? He is Eric Garcetti, and he has been the mayor of Los Angeles. Recently, who has been selected as the first Indian jury for the Tokyo Olympics? He is Pawan Singh, and he is Joint Secretary of National Rifle Association of India, and he has become the first ever Indian jury to be selected for an Olympic game in shooting sports. Amazon will launch its first digital center in which state of India? This state is Gujarat. Recently, who has written the book called Ramayan of Sri Guru Gobind Ji? This book has been written by late Mrs. Baljeet Kaur Tulsi. Which is the top country in the recently released News on Air Radio live stream global ranking? This country is USA. Recently, which state government will launch its own OTT platform? This state is Kerala. And by OTT, it is meant over the top platform to promote smaller films, as said by Saji Cherian, Minister of Cultural Affairs. Recently, the first case of Zika virus has been found in which state of India? It has been found in Kerala. And this mosquito-borne virus has been linked to shrunken brains in children and a rare autoimmune disease called Guillain-Barré syndrome. Recently, which state has been given a grant of rupees 5,000 crore under the Jal Jeevan Mission? This state is Karnataka. Where has the world's tallest sand palace been built recently? It has been built in Denmark, and it is world's tallest sand castle, and it weighs nearly 5,000 tons and towering over 20 meters high. Recently, which country has banned the construction of skyscrapers more than 500 meters high? This country is China. Where will India's first maritime arbitration center be built? This center is going to be built in Gandhinagar. Recently, the central government has made the Department of Public Enterprises a part of which ministry? This is Ministry of Finance. National Fisheries Development Board celebrated the National Fish Farmers Day virtually on which date? It has been celebrated on 10th July. P.K. Warrior, an Indian Ayurveda practitioner who passed away, belonged to which state? He belonged to Kerala. Under PMGKAY, Center has allocated over 198 lakh tons of food grains for next how many months? It is for 5 months. CPWD under the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs celebrated which year of its glorious service to the nation on July 12th? It is its 167th year. Who participated in G20 high-level tax symposium on tax policy and climate change virtually? Nirmala Sitharaman has participated in this symposium. Pawan Singh, who has been selected as first ever Indian jury for upcoming Tokyo Olympic Games, belongs to Maharashtra. How many countries in the European Union have reorganized Covishield vaccine for travelers recently? The number is 15. Abiy Ahmed Ali, who is in news, is the Prime Minister of which country? He is the Prime Minister of Ethiopia. Who recently launched Namo App Drive for its wider reach to people? This app has been launched by Adesh Gupta, and it is an official mobile app of our Honorable Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi. It brings latest information, instant updates and help us to contribute towards various tasks. I hope ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आया होगा. अगर आपको मेरे वीडियोस और मेरे एफर्ट्स अच्छे लगते हैं तो प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल. थैंक यू.